What's up, everybody? It's your boy TRELUVX, you know what I'm saying? Back at it again with a video. Like, this is my first video, so let me introduce myself. My name's TRELUVX. I'm a rapper, part of a group 99, producer, mix engineer, songwriter, my fucking Russ, graphic designer. I'm finna learn how to do videos one of these days when I get a camera. But let's hop into this tutorial. So today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get like a basic preset setup, just so you can hop in FL Studio or whatever DAW you use and just start recording. First things first, I'm gonna play the song out, then I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do and how y'all need to do this shit to make this shit sound beautiful. Fuck, I don't know.
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. What's up with niggas and thinking they special? Hot box the coupe, we gon' fuck up the test. My bitch down.
Alright. Whew. Okay. So first things first, you need to go get the BPM and you need to get the key. What you're gonna do is you're gonna drag the beat inside Virtual DJ. Got 124 for my BPM. I got D major. And put that in right up there. The BPM is important because if the BPM is not right, your delays and shit, anything that uses like your DAW's I don't know, BPM for like timing and shit, it's gonna be off. So you need to get that right. I'm gonna open up my auto tune. This is my settings for my auto tune. I'm not gonna change these. I got, let's see, I got B minor. You need B minor for D major just because most majors do not work. You know what I'm saying? It'll sound out of it'll be the correct key, but it'll still sound out of tune. Out of tune, my bad. It's motherfucking some word shit fucking me up. Goddamn. But yeah, so I got 88 for my track and got my input type low mel, retune speed 0, humanized, I think that said 25. My fucking natural vibrato -2.1. These are just my settings. You know what I'm saying? Just play around with it. Get what sounds best for you. If you don't want an auto tune sound, you might want to take it off a little bit. This is what I got. Over here, I have my reverb. I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna go through and reset all my my plugins real quick. Excuse me. And I got my other EQ and my compression. All right. Now we got a basic, just rough, damn near dry mix besides the auto tune. Turn off my master. This is what we got.
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million.
Also, I do want to apologize. So I'm still trying to figure out how to get this motherfucking program to record my screen and hear my voice and shit. So I had to change my what is this shit called? My audio settings. So it might be skipping and stuff. Like, just ignore it. I don't know. Whew. But this is what it sounds like. I'm gonna show you how I go through EQ my stuff, and my compression, any other tips I got and stuff. I'm also gonna save this and drag this over here. This is my ad-lib track. All right. So from here, I'm just gonna select the little part, keep going through it. If you want, you can even turn off the beat.
Your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever.
What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go through all the highs, mids, lows. I'm gonna do a sweep and take out all the bad frequencies that I don't like. All right, so
In your
Start up here.
feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this.
Alright, so y'all see how that sound like hella high and like fucking whistly and shit? That's basically what you want to look for. You just want to look for all the ugly shit, drag it down. I drag mine in between like -3 decibels and like -6, 7. That's usually like the best range that I get for my voice and also in Pro Q.
In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a.
Alright, there we go, guys.
In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she. In your feelings, I was. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit. In your feelings, in your feelings. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down bad, but I'm. In your feelings. In your feelings. feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was down. Feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. In your feelings, I was feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She stack up a million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm tryna stack up a million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch,
I'm smoking on pressure. What's up with niggas and thinking they special? Hotbox the coupe, we gon' fuck up the Tesla. Hey, you know what I'm saying? So, go ahead and turn my reverb on. For my reverb, this is what I do. I learned this tip not too long ago. Open up my calculator. You're gonna do 60,000 divided by the BPM, which is 124. I got 483.87. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna round it up. It's gonna be 484. Gonna open up the reverb. I put the 484 for my decay, my pre-delay. Go ahead, divide this by 4. It's gonna be 120, 121. Oh, that's just not right. All right, we got 1.21. I have I use Valhalla vintage verb. I use random space. This is what it sounds like. I'm gonna turn my ad libs off real quick. So this is how I go ahead and get my reverb.
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't pass.
Alright. Damn, reverb, shut the fuck up. Alright, so for my reverb, all these settings, they don't have to stick, but what you do want to take note of is on the decay, you want to use the calculator, get the right time and the pre-delay. For all this other shit, it's basically like do what you want, do what sounds best. And also for the EQ, I like to have my high cut around 8,000 and my low cut around 500. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna play it again, just try to get a more better sounding reverb.
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. My bitch wanna fuck me in this Gucci sweater. She black and white shit, but she act like a devil. Ain't passing no shit, bitch, I'm smoking on pressure. What's up with niggas and thinking they special? Hot box the coupe, we gon' fuck up the test. My bitch down to shoot at whoever I tell her. And I'm in my prime, but I'm still. I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm back and I'm better than.
Yeah, alright. So I'm just keep all this shit at 100. Change my attack though. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Fruity parametric EQ too. Same thing. I want to put a low cut at around 500, high cut around 8,500, 8,000. You know what I'm saying? Just so your reverb isn't too much.
I'm on a mission to get it. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. I need a city to fill it. Bitches.
And I like to have my stereo separation about 20% too. I turn the little knob down here on my side chain to about 40, 45, just whatever sounds best with the song.
I'm on a mission to get it. Yeah. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. Yeah. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you.
Go ahead and go through and compress my ad libs a little bit more too.
I'm on a mission to get it. Yeah. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. Yeah. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. I was down bad, but I'm on a mission to get it. Yeah. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. Yeah. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your feelings.
Yeah, all right, that's sounding good. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my my master chain in. Got I added a little additive EQ around 9,500 plus 2.5 to 3 decibels. I take one out around 240 for about -2 decibels. That gives me more clarity in the sound, you know what I'm saying? It makes it sound whenever I export it or bounce my the song, it's gonna sound like fuller. It's gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna sound real good. Listen.
I'm on a mission to get it. Yeah. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. Yeah. I need a city to fill it. Bitches, fuck you and your.
Bitches, fuck you and your feelings. Hey, okay. Then I add in a Fab Filter Pro L. And put my oversample at 4 times. I always go to clipping with linked initial transient. Then I open this up. I'm gonna go ahead and play the song real quick. I like my RMS to hit around like let's say about 3 to 5 ish.
I'm on a mission to get it. Yeah. I'm trying to stack up $1 million. Yeah. I need a city to fill it.
So basically what this is saying right here is it's loud enough, so I ain't really got to add nothing. My style is all around. I just do 0.3 just so it don't really do nothing. It just has it in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So shit, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all got some nice tips out of it. Hopefully y'all get you a nice little preset setup. and just keep working, keep messing with it. Shit, if you're new to this, keep watching videos, keep learning. But anyways, it's your boy TRELUVX. I'm out. Peace.